Before stainless steel kitchens, before celebrity chefs, before televised cooking competitions, there was the kitchen apron. Simple, practical, essential. It was never created to impress guests. It was designed to protect the person preparing the meal. For thousands of years, cooking has been one of humanity's most important daily activities. Every civilization developed its own recipes, its own tools, its own traditions, yet they all shared one common challenge: fire, steam, grease, flour, and countless ingredients capable of staining or damaging clothing. The solution appeared long before modern textiles, a protective layer worn over everyday garments. Early aprons were little more than rectangular pieces of woven fabric tied around the waist. They shielded clothing from dirt, ash, and food preparation. As kitchens became more sophisticated, so did the apron. The simple waist covering gradually evolved into the familiar bib apron, protecting not only the lower body, but also the chest and upper clothing from splashes and heat. Throughout Europe, Asia, the Middle East, and countless other regions, aprons became indispensable in homes, bakeries, markets, and professional kitchens. The science behind the kitchen apron begins with fabric performance. Cotton absorbs moisture while remaining breathable. Linen dries quickly and resists heat. Canvas provides outstanding durability for demanding kitchen environments. Denim withstands repeated washing without losing strength. Modern blended fabrics improve wrinkle resistance, reduce shrinkage, and increase stain protection. Some advanced aprons feature water-repellent coatings that prevent liquids from soaking into the fabric. Construction reflects careful engineering. Wide neck straps distribute weight comfortably. Crossback designs reduce pressure on the neck during long hours of work. Reinforced stitching strengthens pockets that carry thermometers, recipe cards, pens, or small kitchen tools. Extra long waist ties allow secure adjustment for different body types. Every seam is designed for years of daily use. Every panel balances protection with freedom of movement. Throughout history, the kitchen apron became more than workwear. It became a symbol of hospitality. Families associated it with shared meals, bakeries with fresh bread, restaurants with skilled chefs, grandparents with treasured recipes passed from one generation to the next. Few garments are so closely connected to memory. The sight of a familiar apron often recalls celebrations, holiday meals, and kitchens filled with conversation. Psychologically, putting on an apron marks a transition. The ordinary kitchen becomes a workspace. The cook becomes focused. Ingredients become possibilities. That simple act prepares both the body and the mind for creativity. Today's innovation continues improving kitchen apparel. Organic cotton reduces environmental impact. Recycled fibers conserve valuable resources. Digital pattern cutting minimizes textile waste. Heat-resistant coatings improve safety. Antimicrobial treatments enhance hygiene. Computer-designed ergonomic fits increase comfort during long shifts. Some professional aprons even incorporate lightweight technical fabrics originally developed for industrial workwear. The future of the kitchen apron is becoming lighter, more durable, more sustainable, and increasingly functional, yet its purpose remains exactly the same: protect the cook, support creativity, and quietly stand between everyday clothing and the beautiful chaos of the kitchen. Today, kitchen aprons are worn in homes, restaurants, pastry shops, cooking schools, food markets, and outdoor kitchens around the world. Their fabrics continue evolving, their craftsmanship continues advancing, yet the greatest contribution remains timeless. They allow people to cook with confidence, without worrying about the mess that every great meal inevitably creates. Every carefully woven fiber reflects centuries of textile craftsmanship. Every reinforced pocket represents thoughtful, practical design. Every kitchen apron reminds us that behind every unforgettable meal, there is usually a well-worn apron, and someone who made it with care.